Hey guys, I'm Jaden from Bulldog Abrasives. Today we're going to check out 3 new additions to our HsuTech range. 2 rust and paint removers and 1 2-in-1 air ratchet. Starting off with the rust and paint remover kit. This kit includes a wire brush, a rubber eraser and a stripping disc. The kit also includes one HsuTech rust and paint remover tool with an adjustable handle that you can tighten to lock in place. Next up, a standalone rust and paint remover. This tool comes with an adjustable handle that you can tighten to lock in place and an adjustable head with a clamp lock to also lock in place. Moving on to the final product, a 2-in-1 air ratchet. This air ratchet has a very compact design with a length of 134 millimeters. It can take a 1/4-inch bit and fit a 3/8-inch socket. That's it for today. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment on what you want to see next. To find out more about these tools, go to the link in the description. I'm Jaden from Bulldog. Expect more.